Hey, just a second. There's only one thing you can count on in these uncertain times. Right now, it's like we're living in a sci-fi movie. You couldn't write this stuff if you tried. It's a classic example of truth being stranger than fiction, and I don't know how it's all gonna turn out, but I do know this. If something like this ever happens again, you need to be able to take care of yourself and your family and not be beholden to your government or your employer or be a burden to anyone. It's time to take control of your life and your financial future, and the only way to do that is to build your own future-proof business. You can't trust the stock market and its wild fluctuations. You can't expect gimmicks and fad marketing strategies to sustain you. Here's your opportunity. On September 28th, my partner Chad Nicely and I will be helping 10,000 future entrepreneurs start their own online business on a free 3-day live experiential virtual masterclass. Click the link either above this video or below and reserve your spot ASAP. This event will be unlike anything you've ever seen before. You'll build a fully functioning online business in real time and attract your first client guaranteed. You don't need any tech skills or knowledge to get started, but you need to join now. Attendance is limited for this masterclass, and right now people are desperate to learn this stuff, to find freedom and financial independence. Click the link to reserve your spot now. As soon as you're in, we'll give you access to our Getting Prepped series, where you'll get a head start on this masterclass, plus you'll be earning points, badges, and rewards inside the membership, and we even have an extra special instant bonus waiting for you as soon as you register. Again, just click the link and sign up for this free live masterclass. Mark your calendar for September 28th. Get ready to join us live for the most insane online business training that has ever been held. This is your opportunity to start a new business and not just learn, but be taken by the hand and mentored through the process by two of the most successful leaders in the industry. Maybe I'm biased, but I think you gotta be crazy not to take advantage of this. See you soon.